Thank you for being the exemplary mom that you were to us. Thank you for teaching us virtues of selflessness, patience, perseverance, humility, discipline, and diligence. You loved us all so much, and we knew it. Everything you did for us. You fought the illness bravely and endured so much more than one human should ever have to bear. But now you need to rest. You're in a better place. I know you're smiling and dancing with the angels, and you truly were an angel here on earth. I will miss you so much, and I will never forget you. Thank you for the legacy you've left behind. So many people love you and cherish you, Mama. Even though we are all devastated that you've left us, we will continue to count our blessings. We thank God for all the years we've had with you and for all the good you've done for us in our lives. God be with you till we meet again. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'll just read the tribute. I think my brother spoke for the rest of us. Dear Mom, thank you so much for everything you've done for me in my life. Words can't describe the amount of love I feel for you and forever will feel. Watching you in your condition over the past few months broke my heart, knowing how strong you have been all through our lives. You've been a pillar of strength to so many people, and you've bravely battled this illness with all that you had. I apologize for all the instances I gave you a hard time, and I thank you for all the unconditional love and for never giving up on me. I promise to be strong and to make you proud. Rest with the angels, Mom. See you on the other side. Your son, Ted.
My tribute to Mom. Mama, you're so special to me. I thank God for you, and I thank God that you're my second mother. Thank you for loving me and caring for me and ensuring I lacked nothing. You are a brilliant mother and a leader who set high standards for all of us. You will be remembered for your humility and regard for others. Seeing you suffer for the last 2 months was a big blow to us, but you fought to the end. I will cherish the last conversation you had where you told me that you loved me and that you really miss all of us. I know you still wanted to do so much for the people of Bomet, but God wanted you to be with him in heaven, watching over all of us. Rest in peace, Mama.
Good afternoon. My name is Mina Loboso. I am a niece, but Dr. Joyce Loboso was like my mother. When I was 6 years old, I came to live with Mom and Dad. And before anything, I just want to say thank you, Dad. When I was 6 years old, he told me Mom was in the UK, and he said, from now on, you'll call me Dad. And that's how I lived in the Abonyo home as a daughter from the time I was 6 years old up till my adulthood. I'll start with my tribute, and I'll, fill in as we go. So I had the unique privilege of calling a formidable woman like Dr. Joyce Loboso Mom. She was not only my mom, and I didn't see her from the family lens, but later I got to know her professionally as my boss, as she called me to work with her in the National Assembly as her personal assistant from 2013, and most recently as private secretary at the county government of Bomet. I watched her play the different roles in her life. As a wife, her voice was different out in the field professionally than it was at home. When at home, the voice would become lower and she would talk to Dad, she would be like, Dad, Daddy. But when out in the field, you heard the authoritative nature of her voice. We watched a national leader in our home, and she was able to adapt to different people, and she overlooked weaknesses, and she made sure she mined and brought out the treasures within everybody. I had started my degree, and at some point I stopped, and she really pushed me until I finished my degree. And I want to thank you for that. Not only me, but everyone around, even neighbors from Sotik. People who wanted to do different things, she pushed them until they reached, the best part she brought out the best part of everybody. She also never focused on the weaknesses of everyone, and she always wanted to believe the best about anybody. If you told her something bad about someone, she would say, no, I don't believe you. And she would decide to believe that the person was good. She epitomized humility despite her intellectual achievements and accolades. She faced adversity with peaceful acceptance and always carried herself with grace and was always very calm. She exemplified the best values and were true to them always. She always said, I intend to do the right thing. To me, it is this integrity and authenticity that powered her ever-rising star. And Mom, you inspired all of us. This person I am today is because of the values she instilled in me. And as a witness of your virtue and power, Mom, and goodness, we celebrate the blessing. You will not only have you been to me, but everybody you touched and all those you left behind. Thank you, Mom. Rest in Jesus.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm David Loboso, last born in the Loboso family. Let me read my tribute. She tries to wear her pain on her inside. She always has. It's the trademark of the older sibling. I think being an elder sister, it was healthy that she would sometimes pinch me. She constantly advised me to always move forward and never backwards. My sister, even though I never have told you how much I appreciated all you did to me, richly blessed is how I feel having a sister like you. Thank you.
It's with great sadness that we have lost you, Mom. I thank you for the support you have given me throughout my education and the positive attributes that you taught us. You showed us love and what it meant to be a family by standing together and being able to defy against all odds. You fought a good fight. You will forever remain in our hearts. I know you are in the kingdom of God, filled with peace. Your loving nephew, Dennis. Thank you.